Hey, it's Wednesday, which means it's our exercise of the week. My name is Emmanuel Osaseri, your online personal trainer and wellness coach, and today we're going to conclude our weightlifting machine exercise series with leg press. As you hold that knob up, you want to adjust the slide board up and down to where it places your knees at about a 90-degree angle, as you see here, and that's going to be your starting position. And as with every exercise that we've been over, we want to make sure that our reps are nice, slow, and controlled, going up, pausing, and then coming back down. As we go up, we want to make sure that we're focusing on squeezing our quads in the front of our legs and also our glutes in the back, and that's going to help to propel us up. If you widen your feet, you're going to work more of your inner thigh muscles, which of course means that bringing your feet in is going to work more of the outer thigh muscles. Now, if you place your toes at the top of the leg press platform, that's going to work more of your hamstrings and glutes, while lowering your feet on the platform is going to work more of your quads. And guys, that is it. That concludes our weightlift exercise series. If you missed any of them, feel free to go back in our Wednesday Exercise of the Week playlist. As usual, I had a blast making these videos for you guys. Don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment, tap the subscribe button, and let's do this again sometime.